I'm Staff Sergeant Misawa Air. As a member of the Pacific Air Force's 35th Fighter Wing Misawa Air Base, Japan, it is my pleasure to describe for you today's flight demonstration by the world's most prolific single-seat, single-engine, multi-role fighter, the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Known across the world as the Viper, the F-16 has served with great distinction and has proven itself in multiple combat operations over the last 3 decades. The F-16 has been a part of the United States Air Force since 1979. It has been assigned to Air Force units to include Air Combat Command and regions in Europe and the Pacific, as well as the air forces of many allied nations. The pilot for today's demonstration is Major Josiah Gaffney, call sign Sirius, from Ocean Springs, Mississippi. Major Gaffney is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 1,000 hours in jet aircraft. The safety observer for today's demonstration is Captain Dakota Dodger, also an F-16 fighter pilot. Please listen in as Major Gaffney completes his final checks for the takeoff. Today, Major Gaffney will demonstrate the F-16's remarkable power by pulling up into a near vertical reposition after only a 1,000-foot takeoff roll. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, Major Gaffney in the F-16 Fighting Falcon. As he passes Josiah, he will be traveling at over 700 miles per hour, less than half the F-16's top speed. Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, the F-16 in the high-speed pass. He will accelerate rapidly and snap the Fighting Falcon through 3 aileron rolls, demonstrating successful rolling maneuverability. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, Gaffney in the triple arrow roll. Ladies and gentlemen, we will rock you with a 4-point roll. To further demonstrate how powerful the maneuver Viper is, Major Gaffney will perform a double film. As Major Gaffney approaches show center, he will demonstrate the Fighting Falcon's ability to maneuver tightly and stay unpredictable, then quickly transition from a horizontal fight into a vertical fight. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, Falcons are involved by the Sharks 2. of sound, the slow speed control is just as important to those who fly it. As Sirius approaches show center from your left, notice the F-16's blue and white adversary paint scheme used by the 18th Aggressor Squadron. The 18th Aggressor Squadron uses these aircraft to replicate adversary air threats, providing unmatched realistic training for our United States warfighters. As Major Gaffney passes space center, he will apply full afterburner and accelerate the aircraft into a near vertical climb, demonstrating the F-16's awesome cross-to-weight ratio. Fighting Falcon and the knife edge pass. Back on the stick, you will see the F-16C's exceptional power and rolling capability as he climbs from 300 feet to more than 15,000 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, that is more than 2.5 miles straight out. Major Gaffney has begun to descend and turn in preparation for his next maneuver. Ladies and gentlemen, the General Electric F-100 110 engine produces over 28,000 pounds of thrust. This engine keeps the F-16 a valid asset for the United States Air Force. This kind of thrust allows Major Gaffney to perform these maneuvers today. Twist and turn. Sets up for another high-speed pass. Major Gaffney is now repositioning his F-16 behind and to the left to set up for a dedication pass. Major Gaffney and the rest of the PACAF F-16 demonstration team from the 35th Fighting Wing wish to dedicate this pass to all those men and women from all branches of the U.S. Armed Forces and its allies who are bravely fighting around the world, who have lost their lives while defending freedom. Major Gaffney is now approaching from your right for his last maneuver, a tactical pitch-up. He will cross the show center from your right at 500 feet and perform a rolling pitch-up as he turns to the downwind leg of the landing pattern. F-16 demonstration team from Misawa would like to give a big thank you to the men and women of the 18th Aircraft Maintenance Unit for all of the hard work working all through the weekend, keeping these aircraft, amazing aircraft flying. Give it up for the 18th Aircraft Maintenance Unit. Leading the recovery of the aircraft today is Technical Sergeant Rebecca Crum, our Assistant Superintendent. Today's demonstration is a bittersweet moment for the PACAF F-16 demonstration team, as it is Technical Sergeant Crum's final air show with the team. After over 2 years of hard work as an avionics technician and an assistant pro superintendent, we're sadly saying goodbye today. You're not only the backbone of this team, but also made this team change over much better with all the extensive knowledge and experience that you have. Best luck to you in your future endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Technical Sergeant Rebecca Crum. On behalf of the 35th Wild Wings, Wild Weasels, and the Commander of the Pacific Air Forces, General Kenneth S. Wilson, we thank you for being with us today. I hope you have enjoyed this brief look at the F-16 Fighting Falcon. If you have any questions about this outstanding aircraft or the United States Air Force, please feel free to use either Major Gaffney, myself, or any of our maintenance professionals. If you would like to see what we do around the globe, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at PACAF Demo Team. Thank you, and have a great day.
Another big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The F-16 demonstration team of the Pacific Air Forces. Great job.
Ladies and gentlemen, aloha and eko momai. I am Captain Phil Conti of the United States Air Force's 15th Wing, Joint Base Pearl Harbor, Hickam, Hawaii. Today, the Pacific Air Force's aerial demonstration team will be showcasing America's premier airlifter, the Boeing C-17 Loadmaster 3.